In this video, I'm going to show you how to create charts in Notion. So this is charts. All you have to do is you just have to type Notion charts and it will take you directly to this page. And now one of the easiest methods to add charts from your Notion data quickly is to use Notion charts. Over the past year, the tool has undergone significant improvement and the interface is now a true pleasure to use. So to begin using Notion charts, you simply adhere to the instructions provided in the page. Now, with a variety of customizable concept graphs that make your data come to life, this template gives users an adaptable foundation to create visually appealing charts in concept. So all you have to do is go to notion.vip/charts. Okay. And this is what it looks like. This is the page. So when you copy this one and paste it right here, then it will take you directly to a Notion charts. Now the next thing to do is you have to scroll down till you see this connect to your Google Sheet. Okay, so Google Sheet document ID and so on. You can also customize your chart and you can do some adjustments with the features right here. But what you're going to do first is you have to go to this data range and you have to look this demo data. Tap this one, it will take you directly to their demo data. So this is very important. You need to have access to this, but before you adjust some of the things here, like the charts, you have to make sure first that this one is like in a public or set into public. Okay, so as you can see, what you're going to do is you just have to address any information here. For example, if you want to change something on the line chart, on the bar, columns, on the pie, you just have to change everything here. Okay, so like what I've mentioned earlier, you have to set this to public. Once everything is okay, or once you have added everything here, then you can copy the link. But again, you have to set this into public. Now go to this area and it was already stated in the instruction that you have to copy from this side after this side right here before the slash edit. So that would be after the slash and before slash edit. And then after that, you have to paste it right here in the very first box. You have to paste it. So after you paste, and then you can now proceed to the second one. Then you can name this as a data sheet or everything is up to you. Now for a range, data range, and then you have to look for the specific data range that you need to input there. So for this time, let's just say it's A or A3 and then B15. Okay, so let's just say we like to get this one. So you just have to go back and then input A3, B15. Now after that, you can now scroll down and you can now proceed with customizing your chart. So we have here customize your chart. So everything is up to you with the chart type. You can choose line or pie or column. Everything is up to you. For the theme, you can choose light mode or dark mode. Okay, so for the other option right here, let's just say for the horizontal axis formatting and also for the vertical axis formatting. So you can just stop this arrow facing down to choose and then craft your palette. So color 1, color 2, you can customize your color or craft your palette right here. So once you're done, and then all you have to do now is you have to, click this circle and then input your email and way to go. So copy URL, copy this one, go back to or go to your Notion and then input a title right here. Now type /embed. Okay, look for that and then paste the link right here and then tap this or press enter, wait for a couple of seconds and here it is. Okay, so basically that's how easy it is. You can adjust, you can resize, but this is how you create chart here on your Notion. So that's how easy it is to create charts in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.